Guys, and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you some of you asked me, which school offers cyber security, there's one course, is it cybertronics or biotechnology, or there are some particular rare courses, and not all universities offer it. And students always ask me, what university does this and all that. Please, we have gathered that information. It's on the DTW JAMB CBT app, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can find it. Okay, so apart from having your past questions with solutions and all that, we have that feature there. All right, so please go on Google Play Store, download the DTW JAMB CBT app, and also on Apple Play Store. It's free to download. Okay, so come here, you click on career and institution. You come here to find schools. Okay, it's a university you're looking for. You click on it and you now type the course. Let's say cyber security science. Can you see it? Click on it. All right, you can see it's only one school. All right, but right now some schools are deploying these courses, so you can always search online. Okay, but for what we have, the one that is accredited is this school, Federal University of Technology, Minna, Niger State. So all you need to do now is go and check the competitiveness. Oh, it's very high. So a lot of students are going for it in this university. Okay, so it means you have to score very high, like 290. All right, come here, you check the requirements. Look at the requirements. English, mathematics is important, physics and biology or chemistry or economics or geography. Okay, can you see your WAEC requirement? This is your WAEC requirement. I mean, a special this, that requires this. Okay, so just read all this, and also this is the school's website. You can also go to the school website, okay, and check for further more information. You can call them and also ask questions. Don't be scared to call all these people, the school. Okay, the school is here for students. They are there to also make money, so call them and find out, oh, you would love to be part of this school, what are their requirements, and they will give you all this. Okay, so that's how you get the requirements on DTW JAMB CBT app. All right, so to access all this feature, you need to activate the app with 4,000 naira. It costs 4,000 naira to access every feature with your past questions, videos, your classroom, everything, the notes flashcard on the DTW JAMB CBT app. All right, guys, it's not scam. WhatsApp us. We've been here for over 7 years. So please, WhatsApp, you can pay. It costs, it's for a year. It's a one-time fee payment for a year, and it works without the internet after you activate. All right, so thank you from DTW Tutorials. You are blessed and destined to win. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. Come to him today. All right, and please share this video.